Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you some floor imperfection which is need to fix it when you start your floor installation by yourself. So and you find this spot for 100% it's need to be fill up with self-leveling compound, but you wondering how much it costs, and it's not so expensive like you're guessing, and I will show you what kind of exactly tools you can buy. It's price very reasonable. I'm based on two stores, it's Home Depot and Rona. And now we can have a look what we need. So for making level, you need this gouge. This is straight edge, 8 feet long. You need self-leveling compound, buckets. You need primer, a roller, handle for a roller. Also you need trowel, flat trowel to spread self-leveling compound, and sponge clean up around the leveling place. So here is in Home Depot I found straight edge. It's 8 feet long. It cost $34. For mixing in the bucket you need exactly like this square mixer. This is the graduated bucket. It's also in Home Depot. It's very easy for you to measure how many water do you need. On each bag of self-leveling compound you can find instruction, and there is show how many liters of water or gallons you have to put in the bucket before start mixing self-leveling compound. This is the handle and roller to make primer application. So not expensive. Also this is a very reasonable price for flat trowel and sponge. This is a minimum what you need. Also you need drill, but drill I guess everyone have it. Here is the price for self-leveling compounds, a few brands. It's roughly the same, around $40. You can find it in Rona and Home Depot, maybe some other stores. Primer it's really needed. You have to buy primer and apply before start leveling. Here is the calculation. So I'm based on the 3 bags of self-leveling compound for $40, and also I summarize all the tools what I showed you. It's around $215 plus taxes. So when you buy this material you can start to mixing this self-leveling compound. Don't forget, it's really important. First of all you have to put water in the bucket, then you have to put drill with mixer in the bucket, and then you have to put powder and start mixing. Don't do put powder then water and start mixing. You can't mix it, it's really hard. So do the right step by step: water, mixer, powder. When you mix it you can use straight edge, slightly apply self-leveling compound and fill up this area. So if you will be use careful whole bags, sometimes why 3 bags? Because this is from my experience. Small places and it's not big spots. It's need to around 2-3 bags self-leveling compound, sometimes 1. Buy 3. If it's some left, full bag, you just can return to the store. Try don't break the plastic bag of self-leveling compound, because sometimes damaged bags stores not accept it. So that's it. You spent around $215 to $300 for buy material and tools, fix subfloor in your apartment or in your house, and voila, you can install floor and enjoy your job. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.